I think this budget should be called Pradhan Mantri Sarkar Bachao Yojana, because they have realized that this government, if it has to be saved for the next 5 years, they would need their alliance partners, and these alliance partners need to be kept happy. Two states that have been focused off is Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. After denying Bihar a special status, after denying Andhra Pradesh a special status, they've given funds. What is unfortunate, however, is that Maharashtra continues to be ignored by the centre. Maharashtra has become a state where you keep sucking in money from, a cash-rich state where you keep taking money from, but do not give in money for its infrastructure needs and its development. Pretty clear, no? It's a shame that the Maharashtra state government and their allies have said not a single word about looking at even Maharashtra's needs and requirements. It's a state which also needs focus and attention and funds from the centre for furthering its own vision and trajectory.
I understand their political compulsions of pandering to the demands of their alliance partners from Andhra and Bihar, and they have, I think, acceded to their demands to some extent. But they have also taken some elements from our manifesto, particularly the apprentice scheme. So we'll have to see whether they have also announced a lot of new schemes, which are tongue-twisting names which I can't pronounce, whether they are new schemes or whether they are just rebranding old schemes, and we'll have to see what has happened to the old schemes as well.
और जो शुरू में कहा गया कि 4 जाति हैं, गरीब, युवा, महिला और किसान, ये लोगों के ऊपर अभी समझ में आएगा दरअसल उनके लिए क्या किया गया है।
आपने दवाई के बारे में क्या बोला सर?
कैंसर की और कुछ दवाइयाँ जो हैं, जो लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग्स हैं, उनके ऊपर जो रिलीफ दिया गया है वो सराहनीय है, फैक्ट है, अच्छा है, उसकी हम सबों की मांग थी। बिहार के लिए जो हुआ है, बिहार का होने के नाते बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन उसकी कीमत तो आपको चुकानी ही थी। यानी बिहार को ऐसे नाक नहीं पकड़ के वैसे नाक पकड़ा, लोग एक्सपेक्ट भी कर रहे थे, अच्छा किया। बिहार को ज़रूरत भी थी, बिहार की मांग भी थी, आपने किया, लेकिन साथ साथ आपने आंध्रा के लिए भी किया, एक्सपेक्टेड था, लेकिन बाकी आपने तेलंगाना के लिए क्या किया, पंजाब के लिए क्या किया, और जैसा आपने कहा बंगाल के लिए क्या किया, बहुत सारी बातें हैं जिस पे अब कल से उछल के बातें होंगी।
मैं समझती हूँ किचन का ध्यान नहीं रखा गया है, क्योंकि सरकार महंगाई के बारे में कोई स्टेप्स लेना ही नहीं चाह रही है। और जहाँ तक हम देखेंगे तो जो परचेजिंग पावर है जो रूरल एरियाज में है वो लगातार घटती जा रही है, इसके ऊपर भी कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया गया है।
Overwhelming budget. I didn't hear anything about the key issues facing the common people of our country. There was no mention of Manrega. There was no mention or insufficient mention of any steps taken to improve the income of the ordinary person. We have seen far too little from the government when it comes to taking care of the severe income disparities in this country. Job creation, there was a token gesture made towards that, but unfortunately very short on specifics. And I personally welcome only one provision, which is this abolition of the tax on angel investors. I myself had recommended it to Shri Arun Jaitley more than 5 years ago. Finally, it has happened. I'm glad that's being done. We must have more investment coming in to generate more jobs. But otherwise, I find very little in terms of any good creative ideas when it comes to generating more jobs in our economy and more opportunities for young people and for those at the bottom of the pyramid to improve their incomes. We will have to study the budget in much more detail, but I would say it's an underwhelming budget.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.